Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your Vivo V15 Pro. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, and then you have to move to the left side and open list of all contacts. Right now we can change this ringtone for this one, for the hard reset. So here we have to click on the default ringtone, and as you can see, we can choose between the default ringtones that we have on the phone or simply the phone ringtones. So yeah, that's the list of all phone ringtones that we have. For example, we can pick tongue, but also you can click on the custom ringtone, and right now you can pick any sound, any audio file that you have on your phone, then just select and simply set it up. Go back, and that's how we can also get the custom sound of ringtone. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.